Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Mommy Teachings. How a little word can fix a big feeling. Let's learn. Are you ready? Good manners. Sorry. One sunny morning, Lily and her little brother Ben were playing with their toy cars. Lily lined up her cars in a neat row, making them look just right. Ben, who was still learning to play carefully, reached over and knocked the cars down by accident. Lily felt a little angry. Her cars were all in a big pile now. "Oh no," she said, frowning. Ben looked at the cars and then at his sister. He didn't mean to knock them down. He felt sad because Lily was upset. He reached out his little hand and said, "Sorry, Lily." Lily looked at Ben's face. His eyes were big and sorry, and her anger started to fade away. She smiled and said, "It's okay, Ben. You didn't mean to." Lily put the cards back in a row, and this time she asked Ben if he wanted to play together. Ben smiled and nodded. They both played happily, racing the cars around. Lily learned that when someone says sorry, it helps make the bad feelings go away. And sometimes all we need is a little word to make things right. This is a story about feelings, mistake, and the magic word sorry. This story shows how saying sorry can make things better. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, and do subscribe to my channel.